मैं सुरिंदर सैनी सॉरी कनेडा की तरफ तो अज तुहानू लै चलिया हाँ एक बहुत ही शानदार पार्टी जिहड़ी कि साडे
लो जी
MPP अमरजोत
जा चुके हैं
ऑर्गेनाइज
अमरजोत जी के
जिसका आनंद सारे उठा रहे हैं। इस विच तुसीं
सारे
आप ही महसूस करोगे कि असीं कित्थे आ गए हैं।
विच
बहुत ही सुचज्जा प्रोग्राम चल रहा है।
मेला लग्या पिया भाजी होना कंपीटी लै रहे हैं। बहुत ही खूबसूरत लंबियां लाइना लोग वेट कर रहे हैं। अंडा भी लाया गया सब कुछ पीछे तैयारी हो रही है। पीछे देखो तक लगी है। It is red or non-veg?
Non-veg.
Veg. All are veg?
This is halal one.
Halal one.
Non-veg.
This is veg. Sorry.
So they're gonna keep playing more songs. Find the beat.
अब लगी बहुत सोने Good one. Have a good day. स्कूटियाँ भी राइड नहीं रखी गई हैं। राइड करो स्कूटियाँ पे तो मज़ा लगो। इधर देखो म्यूनिसिपल कप जैसा गुड़गांव Please, 1 minute.
I can't begin to describe it. And at the end, we end up studying just what
रास्ता लगा पे बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं। एंट्री है साडी। इत्थे तुसी अपना नाम लिखा के यू कैन गेट बैग्स और संधू MPs। Give me some coupons. 4.
Have you registered? Have you registered?
I have just 2 there.
Okay, okay, perfect. Do you need any bags? No problem.
ठीक है।
Would you like a bag? Okay.
इधर देखो मेहंदी लग रही है। बहुत सोहना प्रोग्राम चल रहा है। देखो कितनी लगन है नाल सब कुछ कर रहे हैं। इधर बच्चों लिए लगा है। बच्चे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Oh, picture? You want picture? Yeah. No, you want picture? Yeah, I will do it.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
हाँ जी सर, क्या जल्दी ठीक ठाक सर, थैंक यू। और अमन? खाओ कुछ। नहीं नहीं।
Let him take first. Good. Okay. Haji थोड़ा spread हो जाओ. Haji आपका चेहरा नहीं. Spread हो जाओ. Let's go. One.
ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਅਮਰਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀਆਂ
To the annual community barbecue. And first and foremost, I would like to thank my colleagues, municipal, provincial, federal, Navjeet Kaur Brat, Councillor, Rod Power, MPP, Garewal, Semi Izaz, Regional Councillor, Minister Sarkaria, Amarjeet Gill, the Member Parliament from Brampton West, Monica Source, Councillor from Southgate. And also, I would like to acknowledge the federal candidates, conservative candidates, the candidates of record who were here, Bob Dasan Singh, and I also saw Amandeep Judge. They were here, so thank you to them as well for being here. But most importantly, I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you for being here, and especially on a Sunday afternoon, to take time to connect and to celebrate our wonderful community. And I would say this barbecue is not just about burgers and hot dogs. It is about saying thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you for placing your trust in me and for electing me as a member of Provincial Parliament for the third time. I'm standing here because of you, and I will continue, I will remain committed because of you. Thank you for always believing in me, for always standing by me. And these barbecues are great opportunity, not only for us to connect, but also to reflect on the progress we have made together. As Councillor Power mentioned, you know, Brampton was neglected and forgotten city when we got elected in 2018. But that is not the case anymore with the Duckford government. Brampton has gotten its fair share, the long-standing issues like hospital. The second hospital, which is already under construction, we did the groundbreaking in March, and the hospital is state-of-art facility with 350 plus beds and also 24/7 emergency services. At the same time, Mayor of Brampton called it home run for the city of Brampton medical school. It's very rare that city is getting a hospital and also getting a medical school at the same time, which is already under construction, and it will open its doors in September this year. A lot of interest from the students. We got over 6,000 applications. Can you believe 6,000 applications? It was very competitive, and it will be great to have the doctors, local doctors, that will go to that medical school and they will serve at the second hospital, which is already under construction. Minister Sarkaria also mentioned about Highway 413. He mentioned, you know, when the Liberals cancelled Highway 413, I remember putting the motion that we need to restart Highway 413. We need to restart environmental assessment for Highway 413. And then the Minister of Transportation at that time, he came to Brampton, he made the announcement that we are resuming the environmental assessment for Highway 413. And since then, we have made so much progress on Highway 413. You know, there were some environmental issues with the federal government, but I'm proud to say now that those issues have been resolved, and we're starting the construction on Highway 413 this year, and the land acquisition is already in process. There are a lot of seniors here, long-term care home, the cultural-based long-term care homes, the one on the name of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Nivas long-term care home, it's already under construction, and it's set to open in 2027. Indus Community long-term care home will be also under construction very soon. Harantario LRT is already under construction, and we're further extending LRT into downtown Brampton. There's a police division we promised back in 2021 that we're building a new police division in Brampton West. Thank you to our councillors, Navjeet Kaur, Rod Power, and Michael Plashian, especially the Mayor Patrick Brown, for their advocacy on that as well. It's a collaboration that we have break the ground on that police division, which will be built on Alban Markle and Bovaird. So that's also great news for So a lot of other stuffs, I know everyone is here to enjoy, but again, I want to thank each and every one of you once again for always trusting me. And one thing I have learned, that it is because of you I'm standing here. And if there's anything I can do for you, you know, we have a great team. Minister Sarkaria, MPP Garewal, Charmaine Williams, Graham McGregor, and of course our Premier Doug Ford. Premier Doug Ford called me last night that he was not able to join today because there's a gala actually conference happening on Tuesday, and he had to welcome all the premiers that are coming across the country. So he was not able to join, but he sent his best wishes to all of you. I would also like to thank our stakeholders for being here today, especially Brampton Fire and our Peel Police. Please give them a big round of applause for Peel Police and Brampton Fire. Also would like to highlight Brampton Transit, Toronto Metropolitan University, Scooty, MPAC, Peelcast, Metrolinx, and Toronto Pearson. Thank you for all being here. I'd also like to thank Deputy Mayor Harkirat Singh. He was here. Councillor Gurpratap Toor, he was also here. So I want to thank them as well for being here. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫੇਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਥ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਖੜਾ ਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਿਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਲਈ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੋ ਤਿੰਨ ਵਾਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਇਹ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ 2-4 ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਥ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਹੋ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੋ ਸੋ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਥੈਂਕਫੁਲ ਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹੂੰਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਰਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੀਏ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫੇਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਫॉर ਬੀਇੰਗ ਹੇਅਰ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਪਿਕਚਰਸ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਈਸਕ੍ਰੀਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੂਡ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਡੈਚ ਮੀਟਸ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੂਡ ਪ੍ਰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਬਿਗ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਟੀਮ ਮਾਈ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰਸ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਰਾਤ ਟੀਮ 11-12 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫॉर ਬੀਇੰਗ
ਲਾਈਕ ਐਂਡ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਸਾਰੀ